Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how my coaching program can change your life, okay? A lot of people struggle to make money online and they don't know what to do. They get overwhelmed. And I put together a coaching program and a phone consult that can help you take your business to the next level if that's what you really want to do, okay? So before I get into the video, I just want to, again, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I am very passionate about helping people generate mailbox money, and I've been doing this full time for myself since 2018. So I know what I'm doing when it comes to generating money online. I can help you if you're serious about, supplementing your income or working from home. So the problem that people get into, all right, they get excited about having a work from home opportunity and they love the idea of having time freedom and, working in their pajamas or working if they're traveling, doing, they get all excited about that idea. But what happens is when it comes to doing the actual work, for some reason, people don't want to take any action. They think that, just because people work from home, that it's like a get rich overnight. You're going to be able to just lounge around and watch Netflix all day. That's not how it works. Okay? You have to take action. And people get stuck because they lack direction and real strategy. Right? When you work for yourself, you don't have a boss that you go to. You don't have anybody keeping you accountable for your actions other than yourself. So you can get into a really tough situation where you can say, oh, I'll just do it tomorrow, or I'm not going to create a video today. I'm too tired. I'll do everything tomorrow. And then tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next month, and then you just don't even do anything. Right? So that's why only 2% of the people in the work from home space make any money, because they take action. 98% of people, they join programs and they never do anything with them. Okay? And it can be confusing. You can get information overload. It can become overwhelming. And then people just quit because they don't have a real strategy, or they don't have a real direction, or they don't have a sponsor and a program who's there to help them out. A lot of people just want to sell you their program, and once they get their commissions, they're out, they disappear. Right? So you want to follow somebody, you want to be mentored by somebody who not only talks the talk, but walks the walk. And that's exactly what I do. All right? You see me on here every single day. I'm creating content. I'm making videos. I'm sharing with people what I do each and every day that helps me generate a full-time income from home. Right? So that's what you want. You want to be mentored by somebody who either has what you want or is doing what you want to do. All right? And that's what I do. I'm working from home. If you're interested in working from home or supplementing or replacing your income by working from home with work from home opportunities, then you want to follow somebody or be mentored by somebody who's already doing that. And that's what I do. Right? So, I'm very generous with my time. People reach out to me all the time, and sometimes I'm on the phone for, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour sometimes. And I just can't afford to do that all the time. With, the more success that I'm having, the more people who are seeing the success that I have, the more people are reaching out to me wondering exactly how I'm doing what I'm doing. And if I were just to take phone calls all day, I wouldn't be able to survive. I need to generate income. My time, everybody's time is worth something, right? So that's why I put together this coaching program. It's to separate the tire kickers from people who are serious about generating an income from home. All right? And that's why I put this together. So with my program, I offer a phone consult, a 1-hour phone consult. We can go over all of your goals, set up strategies. You'll get an outline action-taking plan that you can implement right away to start getting results. And then I offer my monthly coaching program. Okay? And this is an accountability coaching program. So I don't do the work for you. All right? But I'm going to hold you accountable, and I'm going to make sure that you show up each and every single day and take action. All right? Because by taking small actionable steps every single day, that compounds. And over time, you can build an empire. All right? So I'm going to, with my coaching, you're going to get, I'm going to reach out to you every day. We're going to have weekly accountability phone calls. We're going to have strategy sessions, everything that you need to stay accountable. All right? You're going to learn exactly what I do each and every day to be successful. And if you can follow a simple action plan, you can make this work. All right? And then for those of you who are already successful with your online business and you want to start a coaching business, I can show you how to do that as well. All right? So not only will you be able to grow your current business or start a business and grow it, but you'll learn how to start a coaching business as well. All right? You don't have to be a marketing genius. You don't have to have an email list of 100,000 people. All right? You just have to take action, get some results, show people that you show up every day, and people will come to you asking how you do it. All right? It's very simple, and there's no better income producing activity or business that I know of than having a coaching business and having a direct mail marketing business. All right? I say direct mail, but I use social media and I use direct mail marketing strategies to grow my business. And you'll learn exactly what I do. And you can go to any of my YouTube videos and see exactly what I do, because I tell people what I do. So my coaching isn't for everybody. My coaching is for people who are ready to take their their business to the next level. Or people who just need a good kick in the rear end to get their crap together so that they can start making money from home. Right? That's what this is all about. So if you're interested in learning about my coaching business or my phone consults, you can go to onfirecoaching.com, ONFYER coaching.com. There'll be a link around this video. It might be above it or below it, depending on what platform you're watching this video on. But it's onfirecoaching.com, fire being FYER. All right, it's a play on my name. And you can check this all out. So, with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.